Here I have ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, let's turn it off by holding down power key, and after device turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, using volume up to navigate and volume down to select, you should select the first option, recovery mode. And after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here with the recovery you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from IDB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So when you're done using this mode, and you want to just quit it, select an option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.